Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best spoilboard surfacing bit is probably one of the most essential tools for any woodworker or CNC enthusiast looking to achieve a perfectly flat and smooth spoilboard, which is crucial for accurate cuts and extended tool life. This bit is designed to precisely level your spoilboard, removing any imperfections, warps, or previous router marks, ensuring that your workpiece sits perfectly flat for all your projects. Investing in a high-quality surfacing bit means investing in the precision and longevity of your CNC machine and the quality of your finished products. Number 5. BINSTAK CNC Spoilboard Surfacing Router Bit. Introducing the BINSTAK CNC Spoilboard Surfacing Router Bit, designed for efficient wood surfacing. This tool is engineered for durability and performance on your CNC projects. Featuring a 3-wing insert design, it ensures a more balanced operation for smoother cuts. The 1-2-inch shank and 2-inch cutting diameter make it versatile for various tasks. Constructed with a super-strength steel body and an anti-kickback design, this bit offers industrial-grade durability. Its 3 cutting blades are built to last through demanding jobs. This insert bit is a cost-effective solution, utilizing 4-sided solid carbide inserts. You can use all edges and replace inserts when needed, saving money compared to solid bits. It's perfect for flattening wood slabs and resurfacing spoilboards. It works effectively on a wide range of materials, including soft and hard woods, MDF, plywood, and laminates. This bit is compatible with various routers, including CNC, automatic, handheld, and table-mounted types. Use it with your woodworking, engraving, and trimming machines for excellent results. What we like. This bit features a 3-wing design for balanced operation and cost-effective, replaceable carbide inserts. If you are looking for a budget-friendly option that allows for easy maintenance and extended use, this is a great choice. It's ideal for general spoilboard surfacing in various wood-based materials. What people say. The bit is sharp and cuts cleanly, leaving a smooth surface. It is well balanced and doesn't vibrate excessively, even at high speeds. The 1-2-inch shank provides a secure fit in my router. Number 4. BINSTAK CNC Spoilboard Surfacing Router Bit. Experience enhanced efficiency with our 4-wing insert CNC router bit. Its larger cut diameter and balanced design ensure smooth, efficient operation. Built with a super-strength steel body and an anti-kickback design, this bit is engineered for demanding woodworking tasks. It features 4 robust cutting blades for longevity. This insert bit offers a cost-effective solution with its 4-sided solid carbide inserts. Simply rotate or replace the inserts when needed, saving you money compared to replacing the entire bit. Perfect for flattening wood slabs and resurfacing spoilboards, it works on a wide variety of materials including soft and hard woods, MDF, and plywood. This versatile tool is compatible with CNC routers, automatic routers, and even handheld or table-mounted portable routers for all your woodworking needs. What we like. With its larger 3-inch cutting diameter and 4-wing design, this bit offers increased efficiency for surfacing larger areas. If you need to flatten large wood slabs or spoilboards quickly, this tool will save you significant time. Its cost-effective inserts also make it a practical choice for demanding projects. What people say. This bit is amazing for surfacing my spoilboard. It leaves a perfectly flat surface with no scallops. I was able to flatten my entire 4x8 spoilboard in under 10 minutes with this bit. It's very efficient. The 1-2-inch shank provides great stability and reduces vibration, resulting in a cleaner cut. Number 3. ROOCBIT CNC Spoilboard Surfacing Router Bit. Introducing the ROOCBIT CNC Spoilboard Surfacing Router Bit, designed for precision woodworking. This tool is perfect for T-slotting and bottom cleaning tasks. Featuring a 1-2-inch shank and a 2-inch cut diameter, its 3-wing design ensures a balanced and efficient operation. The 14mm grooving depth allows for versatile applications. Our latest upgrade includes black titanium electroplating, offering superior corrosion and rust resistance for enhanced durability. This ensures it stands up to demanding use. Crafted with a hard alloy blade, it lasts significantly longer than ordinary cutters. The replaceable blades also help save on processing costs. Utilizing high-grade diamond material, it effectively suppresses vibration and improves seismic strength. The electroplated blade body further prevents rust. Precision construction with a screw offset design ensures a tight fit between the blade and knife groove. This enhances rigidity for superior processing results. We stand by our product with a 1-year warranty, a 90-day refund policy, and lifetime technical support. Buy with confidence knowing you're covered. What we like. This bit stands out with its ability to perform T-slotting and bottom cleaning, in addition to surfacing. The black titanium electroplating ensures superior corrosion and rust resistance, making it more durable. If your projects involve creating slots or require a bit that can handle tougher conditions and last longer, this is the one to consider. What people say. The bit is sharp and cuts cleanly. It surfaced my spoilboard perfectly, leaving a smooth and flat surface. The 1/2-inch shank provides a secure fit in my router. Number 2. BINSTAK CNC Spoilboard Surfacing Router Bit. Introducing a high-quality CNC router bit designed for precision woodworking. It's built to handle demanding tasks with durability and efficiency. Crafted with sharp carbide tips and solid hardened steel bodies, this tool features an anti-kickback design and a heat-resistant Teflon coating for longevity. Perfect for flattening, resurfacing, and planing wood slabs, this bit is also ideal for trimming and grooving applications. It's a great replacement for your woodworking needs. This versatile tool works effectively on various wood materials, MDF, laminates, and more. It's suitable for use with CNC routers, automatic routers, and handheld or table-mounted routers. As a special gift, receive a router collet reduction sleeve tool bit. This accessory allows for easy conversion from 1/2 to 1/4 chuck connectors. What we like. This versatile bit is designed for flattening, trimming, and slotting, making it a true all-rounder. The heat-resistant Teflon coating enhances its durability and performance. If you're a hobbyist or professional looking for a single bit that can handle multiple tasks and comes with a handy accessory like a collet reducer, this option offers great value. What people say. This bit is amazing for surfacing my spoilboard. It leaves a perfectly flat surface with no scallops. I was able to flatten my entire 4x8 spoilboard in under 10 minutes with this bit. It's very efficient. The 1/2-inch shank provides great stability and reduces chatter. Number 1. Amana Tool Spoilboard 2+2-1-to-1-2D12SHK. Experience the highest quality with our industrial-grade tools. We are devoted to providing solutions that meet the demands of professionals. Our products are designed for manufacturers, fabricators, and professionals in the display and cabinet industries. We offer innovative solutions for your needs. Proudly based in New York, our corporate headquarters and warehouse ensure efficient service. We are committed to offering consistent quality. We are dedicated to providing innovative products that deliver exceptional performance. Trust in our commitment to the highest consistent quality. This tool offers precision and durability for your projects. Its industrial-grade construction ensures it can handle demanding tasks. We never compromise on quality. Our tools are built to last and provide reliable results every time. What we like. This bit is built to industrial-grade standards, emphasizing consistent high quality and innovative design. If you prioritize tools made with precision and reliability, especially for professional manufacturing or fabrication, this is an excellent choice. Its commitment to quality ensures dependable performance for demanding applications. What people say. This bit is great for surfacing my spoilboard, it leaves a very smooth finish and is very efficient. I was impressed with how well this bit cut through the wood, it made surfacing my spoilboard a breeze. The quality of this bit is excellent, it's very durable and has held up well to heavy use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.